Welcome to another video on the C programming video series for beginners. In this video, we will talk about arithmetic shorthand operators. These shorthand operators are nothing but a set of operators that provide a more compact way to write certain expressions. These shorthand operators are also called as the compound assignment operators, and in C language, we have arithmetic shorthand operators, bitwise shorthand operators, and then increment and decrement operators. In this video, we will discuss about arithmetic shorthand operators. About the other types, we will learn them later in this video series. In this video, we will learn about addition assignment, subtraction assignment, multiplication assignment, division assignment, and modulus assignment operators. Now, in order to explain this, I will create a couple of variables. I will call them as num1 and num2. Now, we have seen that we can use this assignment operator and we can assign the values to the variables. Here, this equal to is the operator and these two are called as operands. Now, let us see how we can use the addition assignment operator. Now, what this addition assignment operator does is it adds the right operand to the left operand, and whatever the result that is produced, it assigns that result to the left operand. For example, here if I write num1 plus equal to 10, then what it does is it adds the right operand to the left operand. So it will be num1 plus 10, and then it assigns the result to the left operand, which is num1. So here when we use this plus equal to addition assignment operator, it is exactly equal to a statement like this. What it does is it adds the left operand to the right operand, and whatever the result that is obtained, it stores that result in the left operand. Now here in this program, I'm mentioning this value 10 directly. This value can reside in a variable. Now in place of this, if you want, you can use a variable, something like this. Now what it does, it adds num1 plus num2, and then whatever the result is produced, it stores that in this num1 variable. Now similar to that, we can use the subtraction assignment operator. For example, if I write num1 minus equal to 10, then what it does is it subtracts the right operand from the left operand, and then it assigns that result to the left operand. So what it does, it subtracts the right operand from the left operand. So it will be like this, num1 minus 10, and then it assigns the result to the left operand. So it will be like this. Again, in place of this value, if you want, we can use the variable. Similarly, we have multiplication assignment operator. Now I think you guys can imagine what this does. For example, if I write num1 multiply equal to 10, what it does is it multiplies the left operand with the right operand, and whatever the result that is produced, it assigns that result to the left operand. So this will be exactly equal to num1 multiplied by 10, and then this value is stored in this num1 variable. Okay. Similarly, we have the division assignment operator. So I can write num1 divide equal to 10. Now what it does is it divides the left operand by the right operand, and whatever the result that is produced, it stores that in the left operand. So this will be exactly equal to num1 divided by 10, and then this result will be stored in this num1. So it divides the left operand by the right operand. The result will be the quotient value, and that value will be stored in this left operand. Similarly, we have the modulus assignment operator. If I write num1 modulus equal to 2, then you guys can guess what it does is it computes the remainder of the division of the left operand by the right operand, and then it assigns the result to the left operand. So this will be like num1 modulus 2, and then this result will be stored in the left operand, which is num1. So by using these shorthand operators, we can write compact code. So this is it guys for this particular video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you guys have any doubt, then post that in the comment section. For more tutorials like this, subscribe to the channel.